Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well. So this session is all about first ever Q&A session. So I will cover all your questions about C-section recovery, core recovery and vaginal delivery, about pelvic healing, diastasis recti and how to lose weight and fat. So our first ever question and most asked question about belly fat. So I am in my 4th month postpartum and I see no change in losing weight. So can you help? So ma'am, you need to understand first कि if your belly is starting bulging and you have a mummy tummy, then this is not the fat. This is the result of your core separation called diastasis recti. So before jumping into any intensive workout and any fat loss activity, you need to heal your core first. Asanas and practices which help you to heal your core, engage your core and activate your core. So very first practice is diaphragmatic breathing. So how to do? Put your both hand on your rib cage. Inhale, expand your rib cage. While exhale, relax and squeeze your core inside and pelvic upside and zip up. Practice this every day for 5 to 6 minutes and you will see the drastic change in your mummy tummy. Second, TVA activation. I have already shared the video and the demonstration of this TV activation in my older video. You can go and check it out this and I will share the link in my description. The second and the third is glute bridge. When you exhale, lift up, squeeze your belly, squeeze your pelvic. When you inhale, gently relax. And the fourth is core engagement. Inhale, expand your belly, release your pelvic, release your rib cage. When you exhale, like you feel like your core is squeezing at the one point. Yes, practice this and you will see the drastic change. Second, when would be an appropriate time to start through exercise and yoga after C-section? So usually it is a medically a timeline is 6+ weeks, but I can say everyone's is recovery and everyone's is timeline is different. So before starting any intensive workout and any physical activity or exercise and yoga, make sure you will get a clearance with your doctor. So when your doctor give you the green signal about workout and exercises, you can go and do yoga. Start with the gentle movement and slowly gradually increase your intensity. So yes, there is no appropriate time, it is depend on your recovery. क्या हम सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करके मम्मी टमी कम कर सकते हैं? सो सी, मम्मी टमी कम करने का जैसा कोई भी एक आप कह सकते हैं कि कोई वर्कआउट नहीं है. मम्मी टमी है किस लिए और क्या रीज़न है कि हमें मम्मी टमी का इशू हो जाता है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी 9 मंथ तक हमारा कोर सेपरेटेड रहता है, स्ट्रेच रहता है. आफ्टर डिलीवरी वेदर इट इज़ वजाइनल और सी सेक्शन, वो कोर सेपरेटेड ही रहता है. दैट्स वाई इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स जो होते हैं वो बाहर की तरफ पुश होते हैं और हमारा जो बैली है, हमारा जो अपर बैली है वो बाहर की तरफ पुश होने लगता है. देन इट कोज द मम्मी टमी एंड हैंगिंग बैली एंड मम्मी पूच. So what we need to do to reduce this mummy tummy? First of all, diaphragmatic breathing. Yes, the diaphragmatic breathing can help you to reduce your mummy tummy. But only the diaphragmatic breathing? No. Diaphragmatic breathing के साथ साथ आपको TVA activation, pelvic tilt, core engagement, core activation और few exercises which help you to heal your core, heal your pelvic and just reduce the gap between your DR. So I will share some exercises in my later video, so stay tuned. And you are new to my channel, then do subscribe, and I will share for the future update, because I will share more and more videos about C-section recovery, vaginal recovery, how to reduce your mummy tummy, and about scar mobility also. Again the same question, mummy tummy. So yes, मम्मी टमी कम करने का कोई भी स्पेसिफिक वर्कआउट नहीं है. You need to engage your core, you need to heal your core, and जो during pregnancy and after C-section हमारे core का जो connection है वो lost हो जाता है. That's why we need to bring that connection again. So do core activity exercises if you want to reduce your mummy tummy. While breastfeeding, I have upper back at some time below chest, and upper back is paining. Why? So see, when we breastfeed na, so हमारा posture all the way like this, slouching. So it will cause the pain on our upper back. So what you need to do? You need to take a support of the wall. You need to put the pillow behind your back and sit straight and tall. Use a pillow for the baby. Put the pillow on your lap. Put the baby on the pillow. And आपके बेबी का जो माउथ है लैचिंग के लिए, वो आप अपने निप्पल के ऊपर लाइए. आप अपना निप्पल नीचे मत लेके जाइए, अदरवाइज इट विल कोज द लोअर बैक पेन ऑल्सो. हाउ मेनी डेज आफ्टर सी सेक्शन कैन वी स्टार्ट स्कार मोबिलिटी? स्कार मोबिलिटी स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको अपने डॉक्टर से क्लियरेंस लेना होगा. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट स्कार डीसैनिटाइजेशन, यू कैन स्टार्ट once your stitches is removed, once your knots are cut. So what is the scar desanitization? When you feather touch your upper and lower skin of your scar of your stitches, this called scar desanitization. This will release all the sensitivity, all the numbness around your scar. I will share the scar mobility exercises video in the description, link in the description. Go and check it out. The next question is, can we use any belly belt to reduce postpartum belly during or after 40 days of C-section? So see, there is no study that belly belt can reduce your mummy tummy or belly. Yes, but belly belt help you to hold your core during C-section and during pregnancy and after C-section. We lost the connection with our core. So belly binding and belly belt आपको core को hold करने में help करता है. When you walk, when you do any workout, when you do any activity, it will help you to hold your core. I am 3 months postpartum, and what exercise is best for the mummy pooch? So again same question. Yes, so diaphragmatic breathing, core engagement, core activity, glute bridge, pelvic tilt, and just make a connection with your core again. So it will cause the pelvic organ prolapse risk. So you need to strengthen your pelvic after your delivery, whether you are a C-section mom or vaginal delivery mom. A C-section mom or vaginal delivery mom. So next question is, I think we are done with the questions. No. Can a C-section mommy pooch go away? It is normal to still have numbness after 8 months postpartum. Yes, it is very normal. You will feel numbness till 6 months, 9 months, 10 months. But what you need to do is, you need to start the scar mobility massage. It will help you to reduce numbness, tightness and fullness around your scar. So when your doctor give you the clearance about the scar mobility, do a scar mobility. Touch your scar, touch the skin above and lower your scar. So it will help you to reduce the numbness, and you will feel more connected with your core. ओके, ऑल क्वेश्चन इज डन। आई थिंक आपका भी इन्हीं में से कोई एक दो क्वेश्चन होगा, तो आपको अपना रिजल्ट मिल गया होगा और आंसर भी मिल गया होगा। अगर आपका और कोई भी डाउट है अबाउट सी सेक्शन रिकवरी एंड वजाइनल रिकवरी, सी सेक्शन स्कार मोबिलिटी, एनीथिंग अबाउट योर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग and low breast milk supply, then you can drop a question in the comment section. I will reply you in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the future updates. And yes, I will paste a link of my Instagram channel. You can go and follow my Instagram channel. Tata, bye bye, love you, and please stay tuned. I will share the workout videos on this channel also. Bye bye. So yes, you can wear the belly belt while doing any workout, any exercises, walking, jogging, something like that. But belly belt आपका मम्मी टमी reduce नहीं करेगा. Vaginal recovery. So in the C section, we will mostly focus on the scar mobility and our core engagement. But in the vaginal delivery, there are a lot of pressure on the pelvic while delivery. So first of all, you need to heal your pelvic, do pelvic healing exercises, do pelvic strengthening exercises.